Okay, here's another crappy video from Miss Howard. And this is, you should be on Federalist and Anti-Federalist, the Constitutional Convention. I'm going to tell you right now what I'm fixing to show you is the #1 tested thing in all of Constitution. So first thing is, if you go here, I'm going to kind of introduce this to you. You just did Shays Rebellion, and you learned that the Articles of Confederation is a piece of total junk. So what happens in Shays Rebellion is that because there's no president to enforce things, because the Articles of Confederation is just a piece of junk, some crazy farmers were able to shoot up a government building, and the federal government couldn't even control it. That's embarrassing. So if we can't control crazy farmers, how you going to control another country? You ain't. So we definitely have to do a new form of government because this isn't working. So the Articles of Confederation is going to be trashed. So we're going to see how today a whole bunch of old dead guys are going to meet together and they're going to talk about writing a new government. Here's the problem. Half of the guys show up to this meeting and they say, we're just going to edit the Articles of Confederation, while the other half show up and say, oh yeah, well, we wrote an entire new government. Uh-oh. And even though it's hard for you to understand, yes, old dead people from a long time ago hated each other and fought with each other, just like people do today. Some things I need you to make sure you know is right here. Please know this through this whole week and next week. Federal government, national government, central government, and the United States government all mean the exact same thing. So one day I'll say national, central. That just means the government that is over the entire United States. So here's my blog. It's this, the whole U.S., the big government. It has all 4 of those names. So yes, it can be confusing, but please just remember that. Don't let that bother you. What's different is if I say state government, not United States, states. That means individual states. That's different. But all of this is exactly the same. Please don't forget that. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. So you are going to watch a brain pop video real quick. And that brain pop video is just going to give you a good introduction of the Constitutional Convention. It's a meeting where a whole bunch of dead guys are going to meet together, and basically they have 2 teams. So right now you're going to stop the video here in just a second, and y'all are going to complete this Constitutional Convention brain pop video to kind of just get you started. So go ahead and watch that video.